Hi, have you ever been unsatisfied with the color of your video? So, let's go for color correction. First, select the file according to the previous instruction. Choose the color from the option above. From the fourth menu, select a specific color with a specific level of the brightness and darkness. Shadow the dark part of the project and highlight the bright part of the project. And midtones the part between these parameters. I want the dark part of my work to be close to yellow. By using this part, increase and decrease the darkness of select color. Move the bright part to be a red side. Now you can see the result using this menu.